Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and we finally got a good day up here in New York, Northeast region. Y'all already know we've been having some crazy cold weather, but we got a good day today. So we're gonna try and turn some wrenches. Ordered all those things from the last video that I said I needed. Remember the oil filter, not oil filter, but the oil feed line fitting that I needed. We have that in. I ordered this metal hose, this universal hose. We're gonna see if we can get that. Remember we was talking about the heat situation from the manifold. What else did we get? Oh, I got the fuse box for the switch panels and some tools, and I got these little connectors. They got like solder in the middle and some adhesive stuff to help seal up to keep it watertight. So I ordered those off impulse just to see if they work or not. Whatever, we'll see. And yeah, let's get into it, guys. Welcome back. So you can see I put the V-stack on. Remember, I ordered it. I actually got that Home Depot for the win. Guys are clutch, came through. So don't gotta leave the turbo open now. So that's nice. That's good. And yeah, see, I got a wire stripper, a little cheap one. These are the connectors I was talking about. See, it has solder in the middle and some adhesive on the side to help keep it watertight. See how that works. The dash 4 push lock for the oil feed for the turbo. The gasket, the exhaust gasket I needed. And these are some terminal blocks for when we start doing the fuse box for the switch panel and all that. Oh, and this is the hose. It is metal. It's not plastic. It is metal. And we're gonna see if we can make this work. Came with some fittings in here, adapters for each end. Put those on and tighten up. So yeah, we're gonna go from there. And welcome back. Let's get to turning wrenches. So this is how this hose works. Has this metal piece around with some, can you see that focus? Yeah, some rubber in there. See the clamps that tighten up. So that goes like that. There's a rubber in there for the hose. See the hose here. Hose goes in, tighten up the clamps. And it's good. It seems good. Got a nice seal. I do have to cut this a bit. It is a bit long, so I'll take care of that. But so far everything's coming along. I'm gonna put the T4 gasket on this, tighten this back up on the turbo, and then put that gasket on, put this back on, and yeah, let's close it up. Alright guys, so check it out. Got the hose on, it's ran, it's connected, everything is tight. That's good. It's just not, just gotta mount that better, but the hose itself is tight. I do have the gasket on here and the bolts are in. The gasket is also on. I just need to get some more hardware. That's not an issue. Yeah, I mean, it's coming along. I tried out those little connectors, and where is it? Yeah, right there. See how it works. I don't know. To clean that up, there's a wire back here I had to clean. I need to put sheathing or some tape around it or something like that to protect it, something, but yeah, that's there. Yeah, so far, I mean, everything is going good. It's just a process, man. It's just a process. But actually, right now, technically, see, as I told you guys earlier, I was able to get it on there. That's all the way on, nice and tight. I can add oil right now and start the car. But there are some people that wanted to see that wanted to be here for it. It's been a long time coming, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out now, and next video that goes up will be the first start. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, 9-second shit's coming.